Mending Wall, composed by Robert Frost, narrates a story from rural New England. The poem explores the fact that a respectful distance between neighbors is the recipe for harmonious relationship. It also examines the role of boundaries in human society, as mending the wall serves both to separate and join the two neighbors. Every spring, the narrator and his neighbor follow a ritual of mending the wall that divides their land. The narrator thinks they don't need to repair the wall, as there is no cows, but only pine and apple trees. He seems to be a little bit skeptical of the ritual, and does not understand what the necessity of the wall is. He says that even the natural world does not like the wall, as the upper boulders fall down from the wall without any reason. He tries in vain to convince his neighbor of the irrelevance of the ritual. He accuses him of being so old-fashioned and rigid in valueless ritual. The neighbor, on the other hand, insists on the importance of the wall and its mending. He asserts that the wall is very important in maintaining their healthy relationship. He states, "Good fences make good neighbors."